Welcome. I'm Alibaba. Behind me, it's called hurghada. I will be documenting my journey as I aspire to become a professional music producer. I will be showing you the endless possibilities of sampling. Egypt is beautiful to look at, but even more beautiful is the sounds. I would describe it as beauty and chaos. During the day, you cannot go 10 seconds without hearing a single horn. The call to prayer makes you calm and helps you meditate and focus. All of the beats heard in this video were made during my trip to Egypt. We are currently stopped at the gas station. Balance back, crazy. Can't wait to make some music. Alright guys, this is the setup. These are the sounds I've captured so far in Cairo and Hurghada. That was right outside this balcony right here. This is in the Hurghada beach. I just picked up some sand and dropped it. And this is Cairo streets from yesterday. Long time. What's up guys? I got a little too carried away and I started making some beats already. Sounds. I haven't been recording them because it's so much fun, and I've never tried anything like this ever. I've never sampled sounds in real life and used them as instruments. It's so amazing. I'm just going to show you guys what I have. Snare sound, I took the sand recording and sliced it by the transients, and this one stuck out to me the most. And of course I pitched it up 24, so originally it did not sound like that. Let's see, it sounded like this. You can barely hear it. And pitched it up, and now it turned into that. And for the kick, they pretty much did the opposite. Put it down 12. And I use this part. For the hi-hat, I did a similar thing. Pitched it up 24 and just used the first thing, sounded like a hi-hat. It's pretty cool. I've never done anything like this. This is the updated version of the track using sampled sounds of Egypt. So far, it's just the drums that are sampled. It's all the sand from Hurghada. And Cairo streets too. Beats. Added a little lead, synth lead. This is the house beat I made at 7 in the morning in Sahib, or at the marina, if you want to call it that. Basically Alexandria. That's why I called it Alexandria. So here we go. So you guys can see what this is. It's a similar style to the first beat. I'm just having a lot of fun with the pitch wheel on the keyboard. My last day in Egypt. So upset leaving. I thought this YouTube video was gonna be mainly of me making beats, but it ended up being much more than that. You know, it's a whole life experience. This whole trip, and I couldn't be ever more thankful to be here. Help me realize what I really want to do, you know, my dreams and aspirations. I really do want to be a music producer. The main lesson I learned is that the world is bigger than yourself. Way bigger. Today's my last day here. I haven't even made a beat the past 2 days. So I've just been enjoying the time. So with that, take it with a grain of salt. And maybe I've made something new here. You know, just showcasing what I've got. That's all. I really hope that you guys enjoy this style of video. It's like a vlog / day in the life of Alibaba. Unforgettable experiences. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you watched it, I hope you liked it.